Many of you hear us talk about cassava saute. So this is cassava saute. However, the oil is a different oil. So this is cassava saute in mango oil. Yes, and it has some onion sauteed with garlic, I believe. Yes, so definitely dig in. This is cassava saute. So yes, we cooked the cassava or yuca, and then we saute the onion and garlic and your thyme if you have, and just put it, you strain the cassava and put it in the oil with the onions, and let it stir it all over and let it simmer a bit. And yeah, that's cassava saute. Dig in and full joy. And yes, this is your Monday Meds, and I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence. Keep watching.